channel. My name is Johanna, and if you are new here, welcome. And if you are returning, welcome back. If you have not already done so, please consider subscribing to my channel as I do planner and planner related videos on a weekly basis. And every once and again, I'll also throw in a sneak peek or a preview of some items that I'll be listing in my Etsy shop. And if that's something that you're interested in, then definitely hit that subscribe button and click the little notification bell. And every time I do upload a new video, you will get notified. So this is a plan with me for the week of Monday, March 11th through the 17th of March. And I'm actually going to try to do a 10-minute challenge. I do have quite a few videos to film today. It's the Saturday the 9th because tomorrow we'll be spending with my sister, and after we get back from the graveyard, I don't know how I'll be feeling, so I'll probably just be concentrating on editing and doing some scheduling of videos, as well as listing some items in my Etsy shop. So we're gonna do 10 minutes. I usually do doodling and then some bullet journal type of things, but I don't know that that's going to happen. Actually, I know that's not going to happen this week. And I've already laid out my dashboard layout. This is my DIY dashboard in a vertical planner. So I don't think that's cheating. It's really just the decorating part and then the planning part that'll be within that 10-minute time frame. This was last week's, and I'll list or I'll link the video below. And this one was in honor of International Women's Day, and I just did some doodling of some of the awesome planner ladies here on YouTube, and I'll link all of their channels below again. But I do have a timer here, so it's on 10 minutes and 1 second, but okay, it's on 10 minutes, and let's get started. And then, like I said, the reason for doing that is I did go quite doodle heavy last week, so I am just going to try to make it easy. And even if I do simple doodles, it actually still takes a bit of time. So I figured if I do a little bit of these boxes that I typically do, and then the rest with some stickers, because I have a ton of stickers I don't typically use, then hopefully I can make that 10-minute deadline. And I know I should take these off the rings, but I've already started the clock. And so yeah. So that one is for my YouTube. This is where I track my weekly stats. And then that's the weekday. There'll be stickers here. Miss JoJo's tired, so she will not make an appearance this week. The blog, I think I'm just going to stick a sticker there because I have not been successful with the blog, so that'll be something we can look at again. And then here, alrighty, so for our weekdays, I'm actually going to be using some of these, and let's see if we can and I will never use these work stickers because my schedule every single day is exactly the same. So there's no point, because I know some people, they have varying hours during the week, and so I can see why they would use this. And this might eat up all of my time. I don't know about you, but I hate stickers that stick to the scissor like that, but no one's got time to fix that. I'm just using what I have. Oh my God. What a horrible idea. Oh. Why are there so many days in the week? And I actually wanted to go with fewer colors, but guess we're doing Rainbow Bright this week. And orange. All right, that's done. So put those down. They're not straight, they're not cut straight, but again, we are on a time crunch here. And I thought I had marked this because there were some flowers. Oh my God. So we're just going to put some flowers down. You've got to be kidding me. Oh. Such a bad idea. Now it's gonna look all hammers. Oh my God, Johanna. I'll cut that. That. Oh, 5 minutes left. And I thought I had one, yeah, that was floating because I wanted to use these. And I'll cut that. All right, so let's find some big quote. God, I can feel my blood pressure. You don't even know. Okay. You are pretty. 3 minutes to go. And this is one of the memory ones, and I can show you when I'm done with this damn book. Have an attitude of gratitude. And I'm probably going to have to do some things off camera because this is seriously giving me some major anxiety. It sounded like such a good idea. Such a good idea. Oh. Oh my God. Oh my God. Got to be kidding me. Oh, that is so crooked. Oh. Do they have some of those big boxes? Yes. And this is way more stickers than I think I've used all year. But we are doing, and it's not, oh my God. What is that supposed to fill? kidding me right now? 2 minutes to go? Are you kidding me? Can't put a weekend sticker. And I'm actually covering up 31, and honestly, I don't care. I don't care. No. Oh my goodness. And I am literally just flinging these stickers on the side of me because no one's got time to put it neatly away. I really just want to find something there. Less than a minute. Oh my God. You know what? You know what? We're going to do some flowers. Yeah. So that's Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Oh. Honestly, it's not as bad as I thought it might be, but it's not as nice as I hoped it would be, if that makes any sense. So we're going to just cut these. And I know it's past the 10 minutes, but if you're still here, yeah. Oh, that doesn't look too bad. And we'll cut this one. Let's stick another sticker, or the scissors. So this is weekly stats. And I'll write that in next week. This is YouTube. Oh, and I don't think I mentioned it. This is the planner that I do my tracking for my social media and my business. And this week, apparently, all I'm going to be tracking is my weekly stats and my YouTube. Although I do have some spot here to do some tracking for Facebook and Instagram. In fact, let's just put that there. Instagram and Facebook. And I'm actually going to look for something down here, probably a little bit more flowers, and then lift this up and lay that down better. But otherwise, I actually think we're good. I think we might have gotten a video that's less than 1,000,000 years long. Go team. All right, guys, this is my spread for the week of Monday the 11th through the 17th. And as always, aloha.